So, when I go into ChatGPT now and I want to do some things in ChatGPT, let's just say I want to create a blog post. I go in there and I say I want to create a blog post. And ChatGPT takes me through all these generic steps and whatnot, and it takes forever. And my blog post comes out and it's not personalized, and plagiarism is most likely high, doesn't include the internal and external links and whatnot. So I've taken my like over 20 years of marketing experience, and I've taken all that knowledge. Hopefully it's a lot of knowledge. I'm not the best at conveying my thoughts, but in my head it still works. um, so I've taken that knowledge and I've put it into these four different models. So for instance, let's just go back to the blog post again. When you say you want to create a blog post, right away this thing asks you 10 questions that I believe are needed to formulate the perfect blog post. So when I say perfect, includes H1, H2s, so proper hierarchy structure. It's optimized for SEO, word count, in the proper voice that you want. I mean, it has everything, the proper metadata, you name it. We went so far as to even confer with professional digital graphic designers and have them tell us certain specific prompts that we could tell our models to use when they create an image. So it'll create a blog post for you right from the get-go, but at the end, it'll also give you two AI generated prompt images where you just copy it and then you paste it into the model, and it builds pretty good images. The image part is really the most difficult part because if it puts words in it and whatnot, the words are misspelled, and then it's they're not clear lines and things like that. So what we've done is when working with these graphic designers, our prompts have really put in there to help limit the amount of words and keep the line straight and make the picture neat, and camera lenses, angles, degree, camera angle, lens degrees, whatever it is. Excuse me, I apologize. I'm not a photographer, a digital graphical person. So these content models take all this knowledge and they really expedite and automate everything that you're doing already. So you might think like, oh, I've got ChatGPT and I'm already using it. And that's great. ChatGPT is a wonderful tool compared to 4 years ago when people would spend hours outlining a blog, writing a blog and everything. It's night and day. But these QCCM models is what we call it. The acronym is QCCM. So the QCCM models basically are taking ChatGPT for marketing and supercharging it. They're lighting a rocket up. It's you know what.